Go.
Good morning. My name is Clara Achapana. I student in Southwest University of Manila, and I'm going to bring the illustration of transplantation from bed to wheelchair and wheelchair to bed. First is I'm going to explain the status of the patient and gather different data which are the wheelchair and the gait bed. Next is I'm going to position the wheelchair parallel to the bed and perpendicular to the bed. Next is I'm going to adjust the footrest and lock the brakes of the wheelchair. Then I'm going to lock the headrest of the bed, then lower the bed and adjust the head of the bed as the rotation. Next is I'm going to assist the patient into a side-lying position and I'm going to stand in the place. Next is I'm going to swing the patient's knee over the bed and I'm going to support the patient back and upper back or shoulder and neck. I'm going to put the patient's knees and position them into sitting position.
Yung leg, not the other one, kanina right leg.
Now that I transfer the patient from bed to wheelchair, I'm going to proceed and transfer the patient from wheelchair to bed. First, positioning the wheelchair on the strong side of the bed of the patient and lock the brakes of the wheelchair. Then, I'm going to ensure that the patient's feet are flat and loose and adjust the feet. Then, I'm going to have the patient move forward to the wheelchair and I'm going to stand in front of them and I'm going to support them as they stand up. After the procedure, I'm going to document the patient's response and mobility status.